He's a free range, a little too much water, drop it.
I love how much you care for the fish.
Oh yeah, we've been taking care of fish for over 30 years. It is an annual sun lover. Alina taro, annual sun lover. Black magic taro. The taro's sun or shade. Both of those will get fairly, 20, 30 inches. So, black gamecock, Louisiana iris, chameleon, Houtonia. It's the variegated form. It's a perennial.
Okay.
Water celery is a perennial. And this is your water lily pink sensation.
I want to talk a little bit about a little project we had at our home, and we tried to hire somebody once before to resurrect our pond, which had a problem, and unfortunately we used Angie's List, and the people that came back on Angie's List did show up. They tried to do a little bit of something, but they really didn't know what they were doing. And I'd say I was probably a little bit in error in that the equipment that was put in originally was all Aquascape labeled brand, which was very good, top quality. So I went back to their listing of their representatives, and nobody was really close, but we did find a company called Clean Earth Landscaping, which was very responsive to me, both on the phone and in emails. And we talked for a while, and they came out, take a look at what was going on, They gave me a bid, which seemed to be reasonable from what they were going to do. And so we contracted with them. And Sonny and Aaron came out, and they are very good at what they do. I mean, they're very professional. They're enthusiastic about everything. And we've had no problems whatsoever, and we are super pleased with the results we've got right now. And at night, it is just absolutely mind-boggling how beautiful that pond looks now. And unfortunately, the fish want to stay deep. Can't see them real good right now, but they'll come up. But I would certainly recommend, if you have anything to do with landscaping, if you can get to Clean Earth Landscaping, I think you'll be very pleased. We are for sure.